How to fix 403 authentication failed error in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can resolve the 403 authentication error in Roblox. So to do that, there are some troubleshooting methods. So what you can do is simply go to a taskbar and simply search for run, then double click onto this run option, and from here type in the app data like it is. Click onto this OK button and then go to the local. Then within the local, you need to find in Roblox. So once you find the Roblox, simply delete this particular folder. And apart from that, go to the local low. I cannot see it, but in your case, if you find any Roblox settings, simply delete the same and hopefully your Roblox authentication error will be fixed. If not, simply uninstall and try to reinstall your Roblox application and that would hopefully work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.